Hello, my clowns. Y'all might know me as Daydreams, but, something happened to that account, so now I'm at Sad Clown Circus. Oh my god, I can't pick this up. Now, today, I will be showing you guys how to make a paper star, or hockey star. Now, what you will need is a thin strip of paper. I'm using, the star paper. Or if you don't have that, that's okay, because you can just take you can just take a regular piece of paper, cut it up, strips, and all that. Now, first thing that you're going to want to do, make a cross like that. There you go. Now you're going to take whatever one's on top, take that tail, put it through there. Then you can kind of give it a fold. Then you pull on this end, make it all nice and tight. Alright. Then you are going to take this piece, you're going to fold it like that. Alright. And now you should have something like this. Or that's what it looks like on the back. Now you're going to fold it, and you still want to keep that hexagon shape. So you're going to fold it like right at its end. And you're going to keep on doing that all the way around. And then, once you get to the end, you can see how there's a cross, see this kind of like triangle shape? We're going to put the tail inside that triangle. Like that. It's very similar to what we did at the beginning. And then you're going to take your fingernail or your finger, and like pinch the corner. Oh no. And it's coming apart. That's okay. There you go. You got a lucky star. Oh, nope. It's not supposed to be coming apart. But yeah, you got a lucky star. That's how you make it. And honestly, it's really fun to use. Hope you guys have fun. You gotta like and subscribe, and I'll have a good day, and I hope to see you guys soon.